DMLSS FM 5-year roadmap. The roadmap for success, according to John Roach, the Executive Director of Technology Services at the Foundation for California Community Colleges, is start with the data you have, then add as you go, using common open standards, share data via web links, keep it simple and intuitive, and adopt existing tools for advanced features. DMLSS FM is used by the Military Health System, the Department of Defense, for healthcare facilities, managing facilities. The stakeholders are wide and varied. They start with the customers being the soldiers, the families, the patients, doctors, nurses, and other stakeholders. And then the facility engineers that keep the healthcare facilities running. For example, taking down work orders and entering those work orders into the DMLSS FM system at the desktop. A massive amount of data is processed throughout all healthcare facilities. Then field teams respond to this work. Information is flowing back and forth to support the maintenance and management and operations of facilities. Preventive maintenance, work orders, day-to-day operations supporting the healthcare facilities and the doctors. A lot of data and a lot of information that goes into keeping a facility running, the equipment, the rooms, the condition of equipment and spaces, and the support of the doctors in the exam rooms is one example. Universally accessible facility data is critical to support this life cycle of facility data. DMLSS FM is used for this. If you connect the response to data and information, and you look at a BIM, for example, there's specific places in the building information model that links to information such as this. The McKinsey company put out a report in May of 2013 about disruptive technologies that will transform life, business, and the global economy. There's 12 economically disruptive technologies identified, and interestingly enough, the top 4 are mobile internet, automation of knowledge work, the Internet of Things, and cloud technology. 4 aspects of this are really part of the focus of this roadmap of how do we take DMLSS FM to the next level and tap into these trends that are already well underway. For example, the mobile internet is becoming pervasive. Everybody's using it. The automation of knowledge work is how do you capture decisions and information that can be used by others. The Internet of Things, as buildings and equipment start talking to each other, and cloud technologies that are completely transforming how information technology is consumed and used. Let's focus on cloud technology. So what is the cloud? When you get on your smartphone and you say, find a restaurant near me, it knows where you are, and it says, okay, let me check it for you, and it gives you a response back on different mobile applications out there. If we jump back to 1973, Global Positioning Systems, or GPS, were developed by the U.S. Department of Defense. In 1983, Korean Airlines Flight 007 was shot down over the USSR when it strayed into Soviet airspace. In 1983, the same year, Ronald Reagan issues a directive to make GPS freely available for civilian use. In 1989, the first GPS satellite was launched, and by 1993, 24 GPS satellites were in use for civilian purposes. In 1993, the World Wide Web was declared free for anyone to use by CERN. And jumping forward into 2013, GPS drives multi-billion-dollar industry and feeds the internet and our mobile devices. It is still managed and operated by the U.S. government, Department of Defense, who is the steward of GPS. But this technology is made open worldwide for others to use. That is really what drives a lot of the cloud technologies that have exploded in the last several years. For example, mobile devices and Yelp finding the nearest restaurant. Is this a dashboard, a GIS, BIM, or facility application? It's enabled by GPS. It's all of this and more, and DMLSS FM 4 should function like this. The technology is available today to leverage this type of functionality. The servers are accessible 99% of the time. The IT just works. There's zero training required. Users have come to expect this level of interactivity with data, such as on Yelp, and it searches through massive amounts of facility data from multiple sources in real time on your phone. has voice recognition, it has maps, it has traffic information. You're able to collaborate and find the best restaurant and what others think of that, and actually even share that with your friends. And it's automating machine-to-machine communication to let humans focus on the task at hand. Ask it a direction, and it launches another application, a mapping application, to find where it is, and it's all free, interestingly enough. So this is a dashboard, a location device, facility data, and much, much more. Imagine this taken into facility management. So the DMLSS FM 5-year roadmap is about looking for immediate opportunities and also 5-year opportunities out there that can take the existing value of what DMLSS FM has, the massive amount of data, and turn it around to be used in a way that supports agile development, to be able to quickly add new functionality and features, keeping the tools lightweight and easy to use, and being able to allow many stakeholders to enhance the value of the data that's used for managing the military health system.